Welcome back to the Bryan Fagan YouTube channel. I'm Courtney Berry, and today we're addressing a sensitive yet important topic: navigating divorce laws in Texas when married but pregnant by another man. If you find yourself in this complex situation, it is essential to understand your legal rights and options. Let's dive in. In Texas, divorce laws can be complicated, especially when pregnancy and infidelity are involved. If you are married and pregnant by another man, the situation raises several legal questions, particularly regarding paternity, custody, and child support. First, it's crucial to understand that Texas law presumes that husband is the legal father of any child born during the marriage. This means that even if the child is not biologically yours, you may still have legal obligations and rights unless paternity is challenged. Filing for divorce while pregnant is certainly possible in Texas, but it's important to be aware of how this can affect the proceeding. In Texas, a divorce can be filed at any time during the pregnancy, but certain matters such as a child custody and child support will be addressed in the court once the child is born. The court will consider various factors when determining custody arrangements and support obligations. Having a clear understanding of these processes can help you navigate this challenging time. If you are pregnant by another man, it's vital to establish paternity for legal clarity. The biological father can take legal action to assert his rights as a parent, which may impact custody and visitation rights. This can become a contentious issue, especially if your spouse is also claiming rights to the child. To avoid complications, you may want to consider DNA testing once the child is born. Establishing paternity can clarify responsibilities regarding child support and custody, ensuring that the child's best interests are prioritized. Navigating a divorce under these circumstances can be emotionally taxing. It's essential to seek legal guidance to ensure that your rights are protected throughout the process. Consulting with a family law attorney who understands Texas divorce laws can provide you with the support and resources you need to make informed decisions. Additionally, considering seeking emotional support from friends and family or professionals who can help you cope with the challenges you're facing. Having a solid support system in place is crucial during this time. In summary, if you find yourself married and pregnant by another man, understanding Texas divorce laws is essential for navigating the complexities of your situation. You have options, and with the right guidance, you can make decisions that align with your family's best interests. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe to the Bryan Fagan YouTube channel for more insights into family law and divorce matters. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. See you in the next video.
Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. Because you tuned in to the end of the video, we're giving away a free copy of the Texas Divorce Handbook. To claim your free copy, click on the link in the description below, and we'll see you in the next one.